Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network latest video. In this video we're looking at the Foxwell Automaster Pro. It's the NT680 Pro, and if you are interested in this tool, we'll pop the link in the description below this video. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. We're in a Land Rover Discovery 3 right now. It's quite difficult to see the screen on camera, so I'm going to pop this quite close. It's very easy to see it in real life, it's just I don't think it's picking it up very well on screen, but we've got a few warning lights on screen here on the dashboard. We've got the check engine light, the ABS, 3 amigos, and the airbag light on the dashboard there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop the seatbelt on just so it takes off the seatbelt warning light there as well. So first of all, I think what we'll do is we'll have a look and see if we can get rid of all of these warning lights. First of all, we'll do the check engine light. So we're going to go to the diagnostic option. I'm going to select our region, which is Europe, and we need to find the Land Rover option. So where is it? There it is, Land Rover. We're going to manually select our vehicle, so it's a Discovery. It's a 2005 to 2009. It's a diesel V6. Just waiting here for the tool to connect to the vehicle, and it'll give us a list of systems in which we can diagnose and potentially turn off these warning lights. Discovery owners may not be too surprised to see this dashboard lit up like this. So control modules, so first of all the powertrain control modules, that's the engine system, so we'll just go into that. We'll click into read codes. So it's giving us these 3 faults here. We did put a new mass airflow sensor in, so we did kind of expect these faults. We did see these faults earlier. That's what caused us to put a new mass airflow sensor in. So I'll just bring these a bit closer. And then what we need to do is just click on the clear codes, and that should get rid of the check engine light. So let's do that. 3, yes. Yes. And there we go, the check engine light has cleared, so that's good. Now we'll OK to that. Then we can come back and we can go back into the airbag system, which is the restraints control module on this one. So it's the same process, read codes. What we did for this one, this was a little bit different. We actually unclipped the passenger's airbag underneath the seat to trigger these faults, so that's what's caused the airbag light. We've put them back together, but obviously since putting it back together, we've had a complete dashboard failure there. Sometimes it does this, which is really quite annoying. Oh, there we go, we've come back on, that's good. So before it fails again, what we'll try and do is we'll try and clear the fault codes and watch the airbag warning light disappear or turn off when we do this. Codes cleared, and that's the airbag light gone off there, which is good. And then the last set is the ABS, the 3 amigos. So they'll be in the, where will they be? Vehicle Dynamics Control module. So read codes. So it's telling us there was a fault with the front right ABS sensor, which we have put a new ABS sensor in. This one we need to clear the codes. Clear the codes. The ABS system is a little bit different in that the warning lights won't turn off if you've just cleared the codes. What you generally need to do for this one is just completely reset the vehicle. So you do that just by either turning the ignition off, then back on, or if you've got the engine running like I have, we'll turn that off and then we'll start it again, and you should see the warning lights temporarily come on and then turn off again, as they have done. And there it is, a complete bill of health. So it's all thanks to the NT680 kit, but this does cover like a huge range of vehicles, manufacturers from all over the world. If you can think of you think of a manufacturer, it basically will cover it. Actually, that's not true, because the things it doesn't cover is what doesn't it cover? Like Noble, doesn't cover McLaren. There's one or two others as well, like really rare sort of manufacturers, but in any case, anything run of the mill it is going to cover. Okay, so if you are interested, as I say, just make sure you use the link in the description below this video. It will take you to the genuine and official product on the website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.